why it is very difficult for Igbo people to achieve this freedom fighting that they are doing. One is Igbo man's business is his life. You see, because they lost power a very long time ago, they lost it completely a very long time ago. Now the only thing they lay their hand upon, the only thing they have is business. The only thing that is making Igbo people survive on their own without the help of the government is business. And you can imagine an Igbo man losing his business, like top Igbo man, even a normal average Igbo man losing his business, you know what it means. Not to talk of a very big business person losing his business. So because of that, there is no one mind. Everybody is not saying the same thing. Even if they are saying the same thing, it is only on social media. Only on social media. Mind you, social media remains social media and power remains power. Do you know that power can make you as rich as you want? Do you know that power can even make you bring down somebody who claims to be a rich person or whatever? Somebody who is a rich person, with power, you can bring that person to square zero. Name any businessman in this country. If you are not part of power, under 24 to 48 hours, they can bring your business down once their power is there. So that is why Igbo people need power, and already they lost the power. They have only business. This business is exactly why the way that Igbo people has handcuffed themselves, because you cannot want to lose your business and then knowing the fact that losing your business meaning starting from the scratch, just like the time of Ajuku. But let me tell you one thing, if Igbo people can bring their business back home, like bring your business back home, Nigeria will look for you, like they will see the importance of you. You know that almost every state in this country now Igbo people build them. Igbo people now then build almost every state in this country. Once you are talking business, you talk Igbo. So if Igbo should bring everything back home, wallahi now these people will define you. Yeah, you will understand your value. You will understand your value. Without Biafra for now, listen, for now, before you judge me wrongly, without Biafra, if you can bring everything back home, it will start from there. Value. What is the food that they say you don't have that you cannot start making? What does it take to make food? Farming. Bro, now there is nothing, before they used to tell you that some places there are things that cannot work, do very fine. There are some crops that cannot do very fine around as a globe. Bro, I'm telling you, now there are a lot of things can do well anywhere you plant them, provided you have the knowledge of how to do it. Just bring everything back home and you will see your value. Like them every other, just bring everything back home, you will see. Because you have every of your life, whatever, in another man's land, brother. You never want to lose it, and that is why you keep quiet. You don't want to. People that really matters, people that are really people that have money, people that have a little bit of cannot talk about Biafra because they know that they are going to lose a lot doing that. So please, wallahi, sometimes in this country, you get something where you go to see like this, you know, go know even how to even. Okay,